We do have time. Starting on the pole, a two-time champion here. The 65, he's out of Rancho Palos Verdes, Chris Levenis. Outside him out of Yorba Linda, the number 15 of Chad Mahoney. Row number 2, this guy smoked him in the heat race. That's the number 17E of Sean Estes. With him in that row, it's car number 39, Jason Andrews out of Hemet. Row number 3 on the inside is car number 7. That's George Levenis, the other heat race winner. He's out of Rancho Palos Verdes. In the number 45 car, Tim Shaggy Shattuck out of Hemet. In row number 4 on the inside, it's Alan Grabell, the 71 out of Beaumont. With him in that row, number 75, Andrew Allen. Chris Leventis out front. Second spot right now. Team cars battling for second, but Sean Estes takes that position. Trying to go to the inside of Chris Leventis. And we go red. Sean Estes is flat, leaves the rest of the pack behind. Trouble on the back straightaway almost. Good save by the 168, 98, and 71. And the 15 car Mahoney, he goes to the inside of Chris Levenis. Chris's son in the 7 car. He's going to try to follow Mahoney through and pass his dad for third, and he does. Senna now rounding out the top 5. Goes to the inside of Chris Levenis. Chris Levenis' car not quite running up to it like it normally does. He's dropped from second back to 6. Meanwhile, out front, Sean Estes' car running like it normally does. You see him cross the start-finish line. He's got about a 3/4 straightaway lead, and we just completed lap number 5. Trying to get past Sennett. That would be for 4th. And the ex-Jerry Dodd car, the Salute 2 Jerry Dodd, that number 98 on the side of Kelly's car, is now up to 4th. Car around on the back straightaway all by his lonesome right in front of the Trent Shoring and Symbiosis and that pink signs. And we go yellow. That's Tim Shaggy Shattuck who spun out back there. See if anybody has anything left for Estes. I don't think so. Brandon Kelly trying to take the 3rd spot away. Got to the inside of George Levenis. George beat him back to turn number 3. Kelly again attacks the low line. Halfway this time by. And once again, Sean Estes just running away from the field. Brandon Kelly now goes to 3rd. At the halfway point, Estes your leader. 2nd Mahoney, 3rd spot it is Kelly, 4th spot George Levenis, 5th Sennett, 6th Chris Levenis, 7th Grabell, 8th spot it is Andrews, 9th pack, 10th spot Shattuck, and 11th is Allen. Problems for the 158 went from the top of the racetrack to the bottom coming off turn number 4. got it straightened out. He's still running in fifth, but what's that bright red number 71, Grubel, trying to chase him down? Meanwhile, out front, Estes, 3/4 straightaway lead once again. 13 down, 7 to go this time past. To go the next time for Sean Estes. Car around does a 360. Oh, right in front of the leader. Car stopping on the racetrack. That is Allen. And that brings out a yellow flag. Estes, Mahoney, Andrews, George Lebenis, Senate, your top 5. Back to green. Kelly bump drafting down this front straightaway behind Mahoney. Mahoney manages to hold him off. Now Grubel trying to break into the top 5, trying to get a run on the 158 on the back straightaway, and we stay green. That was the same car. Adams having problems off turn number 4. Actually, his name is Andrew Allen. I'm sorry. Allen having problems off turn 4. Great battle going on between the 158 Senate and Grubel for 5th. Kelly seems a little bit faster than the second place car. He can't get around, and I say that, and he spins at number 9. Trouble. Talladega. Senate. Almost Talladega. Grubel. And he's at Ascot. It took almost 40 years off to raise a family. And came back a few years ago, won 2 track championships here at Perris Auto Speedway. We're talking about that 65 car Chris Lebentis by the back.
158 and 71, walk behind the 7.
George Lebentis trying to get a run on the inside of Mahoney. Mahoney going to beat him down the back straightaway. Bell also still trying to get to the inside of Senate. That battle's been raging for about 12 laps. And Grubel finally gets past the 158. White flag going to come out from starter Steve Russell this time by. Shattuck from the back is up to 6th. And Senate got back past Grubel. Three-car battle going on for the 4th place spot, but the win's going to go to the number 17. That's Sean Estes. Second spot.
We didn't touch anything. We were busy the whole time trying to get the other 2 cars going. We got one of them going. Looks like he got 2nd place. Must have been doing good. Good job, Chad. That was rather uneventful for me, but I'm very happy. The car was super crazy fast, handling good, running great.
Did I hear when you were in the car you thought the throttle was sticking in towards the end?
Yeah, maybe 3-4 laps. When I would lift, it would stay about half. I think maybe one spring came off and one is on.
But I don't know that you need to change that, though, because it seemed to work.
We'll check it out. I want to thank these guys right here. Dennis puts in a ton of effort. Brand new bodies on these cars. Anthony puts in 1,000,000 hours. Couldn't do all this without these guys.
Well, they are They are, every night you come racing, they are some of the finest looking cars and ready to go every time you guys get here. So it's a lot of effort you guys put forward.
We do. We take pride. We put a lot of work. We like our cars to look nice. We want them to be fast. We're happy with the result. If we can get all three of them to finish a race, that would be awesome.
Well, it worked pretty well this time around.
Yes, sir. Good night. Thank you.
Well, you know what's next? Pictures, check in the mail, all that.
All right, let's do it.
There you go. There he is. There's our main